How can I search for specific text messages on my iPhone?
Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about a very useful feature on your iPhone, which is how to search for specific text messages. This can be a lifesaver when you're trying to find a particular conversation or detail. Let's dive in.
Open the Messages app.
Firstly, let's start with the basics. You need to open your Messages app on your iPhone. This app is where all your iMessages and SMS texts are stored.
Access the search bar.
Once you've opened the Messages app, you will see all your recent conversations. To search within these conversations, pull down on the screen. This will reveal a search bar at the top.
Use the search bar.
Now it's time to use that search bar. Type in the text that you're looking for. This could be a specific word, phrase, or even a name. As you type, your iPhone will start to filter your messages. It will show you any conversations that contain the text you've entered.
Reviewing the search results.
After you have entered your search text, you'll see a list of messages that include that text. Each result will have a small preview of the text message, so you can quickly see if it's the one you're looking for. To view the full message, just tap on the message you want to see, and it will open that conversation at the point of the search term. And that's it. That's how you search for specific text messages on your iPhone. It's a simple and effective tool to help you manage and navigate through your messages. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Keep exploring and make the most out of your iPhone's features. Until next time.